Today, I'm going to go over new international customers. My name is Chrissy Blanchard, and I'm a certified global business professional here, and my title is the International Customer Support Manager at RBP Chemical. If you are an international customer, meaning you are somebody that is not located with the United States and you're interested in purchasing chemistry from RBP, there are several ways that you can contact us. First, you can visit our website at www.rbpchemical.com and go to the contact section in the upper right-hand corner and just fill out a few fields, and that will come directly into our customer support department. You can also email us directly at cs@rbpchemical.net, or you can reach us by telephone at 414-258-0911. Typically, we'll have somebody that will respond to you within 1 to 2 business days, and we will offer technical sales and customer support. The next step in reaching somebody here at RBP for your chemistry needs is we'll usually set up a discovery meeting of some sort. And this is to identify your needs or your project. This may come with a product recommendation from our chemical and technical experts. It may include providing product literature, pamphlets, safety data sheets, technical data sheets, and any other sort of technical information that you may need to determine if or what product is good for your project. Once you've decided that you are interested in purchasing a particular product or various products, we'll usually send you a new international customer profile form. Now, this could come later on down the road, but we do like to get this in advance because it collects all your company information that allows us to populate the fields we need to give you a quotation, such as your address, contact information, maybe your website, just basic company information. From there, we can provide an international quotation. And this is just basic presentation of our standard pack sizes, terms and conditions, and basically anything you need to know that will take you to the next step of whether or not you're ready to order. And if you are ready to order at that point, my next step would be to provide a pro forma invoice. And a pro forma invoice is sort of like a commercial invoice, but it's presented in the form of a quotation. Or maybe I should say it's a quotation that looks more like an invoice. So this is going to be very customer specific to terms and conditions that have been negotiated between our two companies. It will have the exact pack size and quantity or volumes that you are interested in ordering. It will have lead times that are very specific to whatever product or products you're interested in ordering. And at that point, we'll have probably already discussed method of transportation, such as air or ocean. If it's a smaller shipment, air transportation is going to be our best method. And if it's a larger volume, we can talk ocean transportation. Once you have your pro forma invoice, it's important that you contact your local authorities. And this is so that you check the boxes on your end so that you can import these goods into your country. So some of the outlets that you can reach out to is your customs authorities within your country, government agencies, whether they're local or federal. If you have a freight forwarder or an import agent, they're always a really great resource. And if you don't have these resources, you can also contact us because a lot of times we have experience bringing chemistry into your country, and maybe we can introduce you to some of the agents that we trust in that we think would be a good fit for you to help you get products into your country and clear it through customs, get it delivered to your facility without too much hassle. And depending on what country you're located in, and this varies from country to country, you might require additional documentation. You might require additional labeling. It could be anything. And so having those people on your side of the pond that can help navigate this will be helpful in your import formalities. All right, so you get your import permissions all lined up. We're ready to place an order. If you hadn't already completed the new international customer profile form, we would get that from you at this point. It is required for our end as the exporter to be in compliance with our U.S. export laws and regulations. You can submit a purchase order at that point. We will go ahead and start processing it. We'll get it scheduled into our production schedule, get it fulfilled. We'll do all the necessary export packing that's required for whatever method of transportation that we have already worked on, whether that was air or ocean. And then when it's ready, we're ready to book the freight forwarder or courier, depending on how it's going. Again, if you don't have these resources, such as a trusted freight forwarder or courier account, such as FedEx, we are absolutely happy to work with our partners and pass along our great rates that we have with them. And then once we have all of our I's dotted and our T's crossed, we can arrange for dispatch. Here's just a list of some of the basic export documentation that we create to make a smooth export/import transaction. You will have your commercial invoice. There is an international packing list. If the material is hazardous, we will provide a declaration of dangerous goods, a little bit different depending on if it's going ground, air, or ocean, but we're prepared for all of the above. We will be prepared for an airway bill or an ocean bill of lading. If you require a certificate of analysis or a C of A, we certainly will provide those with your shipments. Some countries we understand do require a certificate of origin. We absolutely will complete those. And even if it supports a free trade agreement, we have those documents as well. And including other documents that may be specific to your country. But we would need to have that information sort of sorted out ahead of time so that there's no delay at customs. That wraps up my presentation on becoming a new international customer. If you have any questions, again, you can visit our website and click on the contact us section, and that will come right into our customer service box. You can email us at cs@rbpchemical.net or phone us at area code 414-258-0911. My personal information, you can email me. Again, my name is Chrissy Blanchard. I am the International Customer Support Manager. And you can also reach out to me directly at cblanchard, BLANCHARD, at rbpchemical.net. Thank you.